Why salvation is by faith, not good works? Let's find out. If salvation is by our good works, the idea is all people will gonna trust his own good works and to rely his salvation by what he did. Paul said in the book of Galatians chapter 2 verse number 21 says, I do not frustrate the grace of God, for if righteousness come by the law, then Christ is dead in vain. Notice what Paul says, I do not frustrate the grace of God. Therefore, when people rely into his own good works for his salvation, then Christ dead in vain. The Bible says in Isaiah chapter 64 verse number 6 says, but we are all as an unclean thing, and all our righteousnesses are as filthy rags. Romans chapter 3 verse number 10 says, as it is written, there is none righteous, no, not one. Titus chapter 3 verse number 5 says, not by works of righteousness which we have done. That's why good works, religions, baptism, keeping the Sabbath, etc. can't save you, because the Bible says in Ephesians chapter 2 verse number 8 through 9 says, for by grace are you saved through faith, and that not of yourselves, it is the gift of God, not of works, lest any man should boast.